In this beginner-friendly Godot tutorial, I'll show you how to make a button actually do something when it's clicked. Right now, I have a simple button on the screen. It looks fine, but if I run the game and click it, nothing happens. That's because we haven't connected any logic to it yet. First, add new script to your game. Select a node, and then press Add Script button. Hit Create. Next, select the button, then go to the Node tab, next to the inspector. You'll see a list of signals. Double-click on the press signal. A window pops up, asking where to connect the signal. Select the node that we've just added script, and click Connect. Godot will automatically create a function for us. Inside this function, we'll add a simple print statement. For example, print button pressed. Now let's run the scene again. When I click the button, you can see the message printed in the output console. You've just made your first working button in Godot.